Hello, people. How are you? Hope you guys have been doing well. Let me start this video by saying happy new year to you guys. I know it's been a minute, but we are back again. And as you've seen on the title of this video, we are doing curtain installation. So I want to spend the day with you guys so that you get to see what we do. Already we've gone to the client site. We've taken measurements of the window, and the client has already selected the fabric. So here what we are doing is just doing the final touches where we are adding up the rings to the curtain, folding them so that we can go to the client. So stay till the end of this video. You get to see what we do. Also, I'll be taking you to the workshop where we'll be going to check the workmanship of the seats done on the clients. Are going to my client who is in Kisumu, the other one is in Bondo. So we are going to check the final details of how they've done, and then we get to transport the seat to the client. So stay till the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if this is kind of content you like, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments on the comment section, and we really appreciate. Also on this video, we would like you to get to tell us what you like us to show you more in terms of interior decor, what you'd like to get from us or to see more from us. Let's hear your feedback on the comment section, and we will appreciate. So stay tuned. See you on the end of the video, and I hope you get to enjoy.
Got kick.
Guys, we've arrived at the client's place. So let me show you how the windows are looking before we put on the curtains. And one thing about this house, I love the huge windows. I like the way natural light comes in through big windows. Let me show you another one. There are three big windows which make this space look amazing. So that's the second window, which is also big. We also have a third one on the corridor. I find big windows beautiful because the natural light that comes in is amazing. So I'll take you through the process where we are doing the installation, and then I'll show you the after of how we've put on the curtains and how it's looking.
Gets kick. Gets kick. Gets kick.
So we are done doing the curtains, so let us go to the next stop, which is the workshop, to check the work done there. So the reason why this curtain is too long, it's because the client required it to be that long because there's a balcony on the other side, so you wanted to prevent the wind that is coming from the balcony using the shear and the curtain. So let's go to the next stop, which is the workshop. So I am here to check on the work done before the seats are being transported to the client. So I have 2 pair of seats made. So if you are looking for new seats, you can get in touch with us. We also do seats, custom made seats, custom made tables, dining tables, coffee tables. You can get in touch with us, and Also, you can check for more pictures on our page, which is alocho_interior on Instagram and alocho interiors on TikTok.
Get kick. Get kick.
Thank you guys for watching up to this point. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up, and our contact details will be on the description box. If you need any services from us, you can check our details on our pages. Bye.